Mazda started the production of the all-new CX-60 crossover SUV in Japan. This is the new flagship model from Mazda that features the outstanding exterior and interior design as well as the impressive technology. And here you can see the interesting process of making this car. Mazda offers many engine choices when it comes to this model. Plug-in hybrid with total output of 327 PS, then the 3-liter straight-six Skyactiv X petrol and the 3.3-liter Skyactiv D diesel engine. First shipment of the CX-60s is due to depart for Europe at the end of April this year. Enjoy the production process.